The liver, a remarkable organ responsible for various essential functions in the body, is vulnerable to damage from numerous factors such as alcohol abuse, viral infections, fatty liver disease, and certain medications. Recognizing the signs of liver damage is crucial for early detection and timely intervention. This essay aims to shed light on 10 common signs of liver damage, providing valuable insights into this vital organ's health. 1. Jaundice. One of the most prominent signs of liver damage is jaundice, characterized by a yellowing of the skin and eyes. It occurs due to the liver's impaired ability to process bilirubin, a yellow pigment produced during the breakdown of red blood cells. Jaundice serves as an indicator that the liver's filtering function is compromised. 2. Fatigue. Liver damage often leads to persistent fatigue and a lack of energy. This can be attributed to the liver's role in metabolizing nutrients and producing energy. When the liver is damaged, its efficiency is reduced, resulting in a feeling of constant tiredness. 3. Abdominal pain and swelling. Individuals with liver damage may experience pain or discomfort in the upper right area of the abdomen. This pain can range from mild to severe and may be accompanied by abdominal swelling or bloating. These symptoms are typically indicative of liver inflammation or enlargement. 4. Digestive issues. Liver damage can disrupt the digestive process, leading to various symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Additionally, individuals may experience a loss of appetite and sudden weight loss due to impaired nutrient absorption and metabolism. 5. Changes in urine and stool. Liver damage can affect the color and consistency of urine and stool. Dark urine is a common sign, resulting from the presence of excess bilirubin. Conversely, stools may appear pale or clay-colored due to reduced bile secretion. In some cases, liver damage may also cause bloody stools. 6. Itchy skin. The accumulation of toxins in the body due to liver damage can result in itching and irritation of the skin. This occurs because the liver is unable to efficiently remove waste products, leading to their buildup in the bloodstream and subsequent skin-related symptoms. 7. Easy bruising and bleeding. The liver plays a crucial role in blood clotting by producing clotting factors. When liver damage occurs, the liver's ability to synthesize these factors is impaired, leading to easy bruising or bleeding even with minor injuries. Individuals may notice an increased frequency and severity of bruising or bleeding episodes. 8. Mental confusion and concentration problems. Liver damage can lead to a condition known as hepatic encephalopathy, which affects brain function due to the accumulation of toxins in the bloodstream. Symptoms include mental confusion, difficulty concentrating, memory problems, and impaired cognitive abilities. These changes are often subtle initially but can progress if left untreated. 9. Hormonal imbalances. The liver plays a crucial role in hormone regulation. Liver damage can disrupt this delicate balance, leading to hormonal imbalances. Males may experience breast enlargement, gynecomastia, while females may encounter irregular menstrual cycles. Decreased sex drive can also be a result of impaired hormone metabolism.